Hey there, Becca here from Inside the Square. In this tiny tutorial, I'll teach you how to add alt text to an image in your Squarespace website. Alt text stands for alternative text, and it's a great opportunity to add keywords to improve the SEO for your website, and it's also very important for any of the people visiting your site who are using a screen reader. The screen reader will read the alt text to them, so it's a great opportunity for you to describe what's actually in the image. Now, to be clear, this is alt text specifically for on-page images, not for section backgrounds. And I'd also like to mention galleries, blogs, products, and portfolios all have different image types. We're talking about on-page images here. So I'm gonna hop into edit mode, we'll add an image, and I'll show you how to add the alt text. Hovering anywhere here in edit mode, as soon as I see that blue plus sign, I can click on that and select the image block. This gives me the ability to either click here and open up the File Explorer on my computer, or I can just drag and drop an image right here. You'll see I have the option to give it a file name. This file is called Gus the Pineapple, but this is what I would change to the alt text I want to display. Now again, this is the file name. If you scroll down here, you'll see there's a caption associated with this image that we can turn off. And then there are different image types here as well. We can select poster, card, overlap, collage, or stack. No matter what type of image you select, navigating back over here, this file name is the alt text that you're going to change. Let me show you that one more time. I'll go ahead and select save and we'll hop on out of here. Now back into edit mode. If you already have an image on your site, double click on that image and scroll down to file name. Use that space to add the alt text for that image. If you don't have an image block available, we'll go ahead and delete this one, so I'll show you how to add it. Just click the plus sign anywhere on your site that you want that image to be, select the image block, and then drag and drop your image right there into that gray square. Once it's uploaded, update the file name to the alt text that you want to use for that particular image on your site. As soon as you're done, select save and you'll be good to go. For more tiny tutorials like this one, visit InsideTheSquare.co.